Hello, welcome to another video. So, I think I got an idea of what I'm doing. Go onto here, grab a sapling. Before we grab a sapling, we need to get more sticks. Oh, wait, is that right? No, that's wrong. Then it is. There we go. Wooden shears. Oh, crud lag. Alright, so now we got some leaves. I think what we do is get this and we hey, we're getting water. Does this take any more? No, alright. What else can we make out of wood? There's not a lot we can make because I have still no idea of what we're doing. Wooden spike. Alright, we're just gonna try and make a bunch of the stuff this episode. Or I could try some reading, eh? Book. I need stone. Nah. No, this is all tinkering. What about this one? Okay, I can't do that either. What about these other two books? Let's see. Pictures, come on, where's all the... Oop, that. So, wood. How the flip? Flip my biscuit upside down, because I'm dumb. Oh, water! Alright, let's try this. E. That's wrong. Okay, how do I get stone? Furnace. Can't make that. Yeah, I still don't know. What's that? Cool. Just cut down another tree, eh? Well, that's cool. It sees how much blocks I could break on the side. Yes, I am an extreme noob at this. Do not judge, please. Let's go back to... wood. Let's go to... What's something cool I can make? Can I make a chair? Wooden chair? No? No? Okay. What if I left click it? No? Whoa! Whoa! Escape. Anyway, let's make whatever this thing is. Wood with a... Oh, I can make that. We got water now. Yay! Go round. Okay. Explored and... Do I need a chest? Let's see. I have heaps of wood. Oh, I can make wooden armor. Did not know that. That did not work. Don't judge me, I'm not that good at reading. Oh well. Let's get some wooden armor. That's what I'm going to do this episode. Oak helmet. Let's get some leggings. Oh, crud. Let's get some leggings. Some boots. And eventually we'll get a chest plate. And an oak chest plate, there we go. Got some emmer. How the hell did I get a donut? Can I eat this? No, I can't eat it. Does it? How? God help me. Ooh, sapling. Rainbow, you're meant to give me good luck. What do I do? Where does the rainbow end? I need a pot of gold. Wood and copper. Oh, I need copper, damn it. I'm gonna make this, whatever the hell this is. I look like a tree. Am I trolling? Alright, let's see. I don't know what I made now. Let's go. Let's play around. Is this a ladder? You can't get up anymore. Oh, there's a... Whee! Oh. What? No, I want to jump. Ugh. So useless at this mod. Yeah, I think I might try to hook up one of my friends. What does it want? Coal ore. Okay. Let's try to make something else. Iron. Don't have that. Cobblestone. Don't have that either. We'll try and make cobblestone. Cobblestone. Here we go. Can I make this at all? What? How do I get that? How do I get string? How do I get cotton? How do I get spider eyes? So much stuff. String. That is a big machine. Wait, ducks lay string? Wool. Okay, I'm just gonna say it now. I really want to cheat, but at the same time, I don't want to cheat. Back to wood. What's this? Oh, it's every single tool in one. Let's make that. Seems like fun. What? Builder's wand. Okay, I'll take a look at what that is next. Oh. Probably don't need that many. Get a sword. Let's get a pick, a hoe, and a shovel. So. What? I thought I got a hoe. Wait, what? Did I not get a hoe? Oops. That's different. Learning. Oh, the X has been used, that's why. Oh, damn it, it leaves all the items in there. We will have this by the end of this episode. Whatever the hell it is, I don't know.